Now let us take some practice problems on the chapter chemical bonding. First question given to here, आप लोग क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए रेड ऑन. ठीक है. According to molecular orbital theory, what is similarity among, इसमें दो पार्ट है क्वेश्चन में. पहला पार्ट है बिट A1 Cn नेगेटिव CO and NO प्लस एंड सेकंड बिट दिया है F2 and O2 minus. F2 and O2 minus. This ion is called what here? This ion is called peroxide ion. Try heteron. Now coming on solution part of this question. See, in solving this question, it is very easy question. We can take apply MOT. So for this ions or molecules, you can find the bond order in all the three cases. If I take first bit, all of them are having same bond order. अब चेक करिए निकाल के all the three will have same bond order equal to how much? 3. Then all of them are isoelectronic. They contain same number of total electrons, so isoelectronic. Then they are also will have no unpaired electrons, so all three are diamagnetic in nature. So they are isoelectronic, same bond order, diamagnetic nature. And one point more you can just have for information that all three they are strong field ligands. ये क्या होता है? That we can discuss in detail in topic class 12 chapter name is coordination compounds. That is first bit. And second bit taken F2 and O2 negative ions. And then what is similarity? Again they also can be taken same bond order, one each. Isoelectronic, no unpaired electrons, so by nature diamagnetic in nature. Isoelectronic and also by nature diamagnetic. You can calculate each case bond order. Already explained to you how to find bond order applying MOT, which have been explained in detail to you. Now next question given to here. Question आपको क्या है? Find the number of sigma and pi bonds. Sigma and pi bonds between two carbon atoms in. It first आपको दिया है CaC2 कैल्शियम कार्बाइड और बिट 2 दिया है Mg2C3. We are given two compounds in which we require the number of sigma and pi bonds between two carbon atoms, not two because we have three atoms here. Number of sigma and pi bonds between carbon atoms in these. First bit is CaC2, second bit is Mg2C3. It is called magnesium carbide, calcium carbide. So try this question. Now coming on solution part. देखिए पहला part क्या है? Both are ionic compounds. First it is calcium carbide. It will have calcium plus 2 ion and CO2 negative ion. It is ionic compound. When you take the structure of this ion, it is called acetylide ion. Structure wise, we have two carbon atoms. Each carbon have got one lone pair and negative one formal charge. Each carbon have one lone pair or negative one formal charge. So you can see from here the structure that between the two carbon atoms we have three bonds. In three bonds we will have one sigma and two pi bonds. We have one sigma bond, one pi bond. Now second taken Mg2C3. It break to form Mg plus 2 ions plus C3 for charge balancing. C3 will have 4 negative charge. If it is structure wise C3 4 negative ion, it can have resonance. If I take one of the structure here, can be this one in resonance. Second can be taken structure here. Each carbon have minus 2 charge. Or second structure can be drawn here after resonance. one carbon 3 minus charge, one carbon have negative 1 charge. In either case, it is by resonance. Here each carbon atom have got 2 lone pairs. So one lone pair can form pi bond, and then shifting of pi electrons can form second structure. Here, one C have 1 lone pair, second C will have 3 lone pairs. So in either case, when it is structure wise, we are having 2 sigma bonds between 2 carbon atom, 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 2 sigma bonds plus 2 pi bonds. Either can count 1 pi bond here, 1 plus 1 2 pi bonds, or here directly 2 pi bonds. So we have got 2 sigma 2 pi bonds among the carbon atoms in the ion taken C3,4 negative ion. The C3,4 negative ion is called as allyl ion. This compound hydrolyze in the reaction produce propyne. Reaction with water molecules give magnesium hydroxide plus CH3, C triple bond CH. It is called propyne. Mg2C3 will give magnesium hydroxide plus propyne. That's formation here. So when this kind of question given, just be more careful कि कैसे आपको स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना है, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप आंसर लिखेंगे उसका. ठीक है? Let us take next question. That question दिया है, among the following which does not have sulfur sulfur bond. आपको ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है A S2O3 2 minus, ऑप्शन B दिया है S2O4 2 minus, C ऑप्शन दिया है S2O5 2 minus, ऑप्शन D दिया है S2O7 2 minus. So draw the structure and try this question yourself. Now coming on solution part. In solving this question for all the ions, we have to draw structures. When you take first structure, it is called thiosulfate ion. It has got one sulfur sulfur double bond, and then 2 O have negative 1 charge each. So this definitely cannot be the answer. S2O4 is dimer of this. You can have one S double bond. Each sulfur have got one lone pair. This also have one S bond. When you take S2O5, structure wise, this also will have one S bond. C with A, B, C. If you take with D, S2, it has got one extra oxygen. It is option D. So for such question, for the ions given, you draw first structures, then you can see which have S bond, which does not have SS bond. So you can take as per options given to you here. Option D is the only option in which there is no SS bond. Option D have no SS bond. Remaining all the compounds are having SS bonds. So I hope it is clear. Let us take next question now. So let us take up our next question. You get this kind of question very frequently in your chemical bonding chapter. Match the following matching questions frequently given with options to you. I am not doing options in all the bits here. You have to find the answer yourself. So question आपको दिया है molecule और ion, predicting hybridization or geometry or shapes type questions are very common in this chapter. So let us try this question yourself. Question आपको दिया है molecule और ion, उनका दिया है हाइब्रिडाइजेशन को मैच करना है. A दिया है SF4, B दिया है IF5, C है NO2+, D NH4+. यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस दिया है sp3d2, यहाँ पे है sp3d, यहाँ पे है sp3 और यहाँ पे है ssp. ये आपको मैच करना है इसको. ठीक है? ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. नाउ कमिंग ऑन सॉल्यूशन पार्ट, देखिए इसमें बहुत तरीका सिंपल था आपका. If you find the value of only for hybridization in all the case you find the value of n dash by 2. तो for SF4 molecule what is the value of n dash by 2? n क्या था, number of valence electrons of central atom plus number of monovalent atoms by 2. That number is how much? 5. 5 means it has straight away hybridization sp3d. When you have 5 orbitals they will be sp3d. If I take IF5, similarly for IF5 what is value of n dash by 2? Iodine central atom valence shell 7 electrons halogens plus 5 atom fluorine by 2 6 का मीनिंग क्या हुआ sp3 d2 hybridization. Then for NO2 plus means if I try to match it with here indicating here IF5 will have hybridization sp3 d2, SF4 have hybridization sp3d. Now NO2 plus, the value taken of n dash by 2 for NO2 plus will be how much? 5 minus 1 by 2 means sp hybridization 2 indicating sp hybridization, and for this 5 plus 4 hydrogen 9 minus 1 by 2 is 4 indicating hybridization sp3. That become hybridization in the given ions or molecules. It is only for hybridization method. If nothing given you can take this method n dash by 2. It's very simple. So I hope it is clear. This one question. Let us take next question. Now it is next question given to you. आपका next question here written question. The gaseous KCl molecule. Write the question. The gaseous KCl molecule has observed dipole moment 10 dBi. D is dBi, indicating highly polar molecule. Full stop. The separation between nuclei in this molecule is 2.67 into 10 to power minus 8 centimeter. Then calculate percentage ionic character in KCl molecule. Actually given in gas phase it is given as molecular form. So try this question. Now coming on solution part of this question. देखिए we have discussed in such questions when we discuss a topic dipole moment, we can help that can help us in calculating these molecules or compounds percentage ionic character. What is percentage ionic character? It is given as a observed dipole moment by mu theoretical dipole moment into 100. We are given the value of mu observed. What is mu theoretical? We calculate mu theoretical by assuming the complete electron transfer. If electron transfer is complete, then the compound molecule or the bond have percentage ionic character equal to 100. So in that case, below that it is value actual given. So anyway we find here theoretical by taking charge, full electronic charge 4.8 into 10 to power minus 10 ESU into distance taken 2.67 into 10 to power minus 8 centimeter. The distance given. So it is taken mu theoretical. This can be taken 4.8 into 2.67 into 10 to power minus 18 ESU centimeter, and that is taken 1 dBi. So it is dBi. So when we take, we know this point here 10 to power minus 18 ESU centimeter is equal to 1 dBi. So we can take for this KCl, we first find the theoretical dipole moment by this formula, and then using this relation we can find the percentage ionic character coming. Observed dipole moment is 10 dBi divided by this 4.8 into 2.67 dBi into 100. You can calculate this answer. On calculation the answer comes nearly 78%. For this question answer comes 78%, and I hope it is clear. बहुत सिंपल है. आपको एक होता है ऑब्जर्व डायपोलमेंट, दैट इज एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू, आपको क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, और एक होता है थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू हम निकालते हैं, कैसे निकालते हैं? बाय अजम्पशन और एज्यूमिंग दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन हैव बीन ट्रांसफर्ड कंप्लीटली, मतलब पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होगा। उस केस में कितना होना चाहिए थ्योरेटिकल डायपोल मोमेंट? वो होगा थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू, ये एक्चुअल वैल्यू होता है, एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू होता है, दिया है क्वेश्चन में। एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन फाइंड द परसेंटेज आयनिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ द गिवन मॉलिक्यूल। ओके, चलिए लेट अस टेक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। राइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स, फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स अमंग देम। आपको दिया है SF4 PCl5 PCl3F2 SF6 XeF2 NO2+ BF2Cl BF3 PF3Cl2. So try this question yourself. Now coming on the answer part of this question, देखिए बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है आपको, लेकिन आपको ज्योमेट्री में फास्ट होना पड़ेगा। अगर आप शेप ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे जल्दी से, और अगर आपका शेप दिया सिमेट्रिकल टाइप, then you can say yes, this molecule is polar or non-polar. So let us draw the shapes for the ions or molecules. If I take first one, ये आपको पता है तो डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं। फर्स्ट में क्या हुआ? SF4 molecule shape is seesaw. SF4 molecule shape is seesaw. It have got one lone pair, 2 fluorine equatorial, 2 fluorine axial. In seesaw shape, dipole cannot be cancelled out, so it is a polar molecule. You can take first molecule is polar, that I'm just covering by red. PCl5 क्या होता है? Symmetrical shape. In symmetrical shape of a molecule, such kind of shapes are always non-polar. तो non-polar हो गया आपका। Then PCl3F2 applying bent rule. Applying bent rule in PCl3F2, 2 fluorine more electronegative are axial, 3 chlorine less electronegative equatorial. This shape also becomes symmetrical type. So when the shape is symmetrical, dipole moments are cancelling out. This also become non-polar molecule. When you take SF6 molecule, shape is octahedral, regular octahedral without lone pair. So when shape is octahedral, this become non-polar. अगला दिया है XeF2, shape is linear. All the 3 lone pairs are equatorial, both fluorine axial. So what happens? This also will be symmetrical type arrangement or non-polar. If I take next one, taken NO2+, NO2+ have linear shape. So dipoles are cancelling out of this molecule. Don't see the charge as a whole. That is the charge as a whole in the ion, but linear shape, hybridization sp. So dipoles are cancelling out. So it is non-polar. BF2Cl, it is now unsymmetrical. We have 2 fluorine, 1 chlorine. Dipole moment for the bonds cannot be cancelled out, so it is a polar molecule. BF3 is again non-polar, symmetrical shape. It is polar. PCl3F, PF3Cl2, इसमें क्या होगा? Applying bent rule, 2 fluorine axial, but 1 fluorine remaining more. It has to go equatorial. 2 Cl more equatorial. As a whole, the shape is trigonal bipyramidal, but unsymmetrical type. So dipole moments cannot be cancelling out. So it is a polar molecule. It is polar molecule. Which are polar molecules? 1, 2, 3. You can say 1 polar tha, non-polar, 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 polar. So we have 1, 2, 3. Only 3 species are polar as your answer. We have 3 compounds in this case polar, and that is your answer for this question. I hope it is clear. Let us take now next question. So let us take our next question. Again matching type question. आपको दिया है कॉलम 1 कॉलम 2 मैच करना है, ए का है SO3, बी में है SO2, सी में CO2, डी का NO2 मॉलिक्यूल। यहाँ पे दिया P पैरामैग्नेटिक, Q दिया है D पाई P पाई बॉन्ड्स, R लीनियर शेप, S प्लेनर और T एंगुलर। इट कैन हैव मोर देन वन मैचिंग पॉसिबिलिटीज। तो थिंक completely then tell the answer. So try this question yourself. Now coming on solution or answer part. If I take first case molecule taken sulfur trioxide, already explained to you that in sulfur trioxide molecule we have got hybridization sp2. कैसे होता है? If we take SO3 sulfur have oxidation number +6, so it will require 6 electron unpaired. How we get 6 electron unpaired? By electron excitation to d orbitals. Sulfur have in outermost shell 6 electrons, so 1 electron will go after excitation to this orbital, 1 electron more go from here to here, then they can have 6 electron unpaired. 3 oxygen form sigma bonds and 3 electron unpaired from pi bond. So if we take the shape of SO3 molecule, it is planar shape, name is hybridization sp2, name is trigonal planar. So in this case, and no unpaired electron remains, these 3 electron from 3 pi bonds. In 3 pi bond, 1 pi bond taken p pi bond, and 2 pi bond taken here will be taken as p pi d pi bonds. So in this molecule sulfur trioxide, it is not paramagnetic, it will have d pi p pi bonds. Q shape is not linear, shape is planar. S not angular. So for this bit A, we will have correct answer taken as QS. For B bit taken sulfur dioxide molecule, if we take here, in sulfur dioxide sulfur have +4 oxidation number. So +4 means only 1 electron will go to higher energy orbital in SO2 molecule. So what will happen? In +4 oxidation number, sulfur will have 1 lone pair, 3 p orbitals and D. Four electrons here. So it will have 2 oxygen. It will also have sp2 hybridization. Shape will be angular, having 2 pi bonds and 1 lone pair. So it will have angular shape, no unpaired electron remaining because they will form pi bonds with oxygen atoms. So what happens? This can be taken correct answer for this bit B S. It will have 1 p pi d pi pi bond. So Q will be S. Shape linear, no. Planar, angular shape or planar. Angular shape or planar because atom are in same plane. So we can take S, yes, and also then angular shape. So T definitely is answer. So for bit B, we will have answer Q S T. Now CO2 molecule we can take here. I am writing only answer of CO2 molecule. No electrons are remaining unpaired, no vacant d orbital, so no question of p pi d pi bonds. It has got linear shape, yes. R planar, yes. When we angular shape or linear shape, they're planar, S. That's all. And then you can take NO2. NO2 molecule means it is odd electron molecule in which it will have 1 unpaired electron remaining. So due to unpaired electron, this NO2 molecule, it will become paramagnetic. For D we have correct bit P, and then it have no vacant d orbitals on nitrogen or oxygen, so no question of p pi d pi bonds. Shape is angular, not linear. Angular means planar, sure. And T. So we will have correct codes as you will write here. For A, QS. For B, QST. For bit C, RS, and bit D, PST are the correct answers for this question of matching. Are you clear? आपका अगेन अगला क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, इसको आप इसी क्वेश्चन को राइट ऑन द क्वेश्चन. ये भी आपका मैचिंग क्वेश्चन है, बट नाउ सिंगल मैचिंग। आपको मैच करना है लिस्ट वन लिस्ट टू में आइटम्स। यहाँ पे दिया पेयर ऑफ स्पीसीज इन द सेम प्रॉपर्टीज। P लिखा है NF3OF2, Q लिखा है PCl5 ICl3, R BeF2 SO3 और S में है CO2 एंड SO2 मॉलिक्यूल्स। यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी लिखा है, इसको मैच करना है। D ऑर्बिटल्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। सेकेंड है टेट्राहेड्रल इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्योमेट्री अराउंड सेंट्रल एटम। थर्ड पॉइंट यहाँ पर है टोटल नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर्स सेम। यहाँ पे पी पाई बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट, पी पाई बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट। तो आपको ये इसमें चेक करना है इन सारे केस में, ठीक है। सो ट्राई दिस योरसेल्फ। नाउ कमिंग ऑन सॉल्यूशन पार्ट। देखिए आपको बहुत सिंपल है, आपको मैच करना है। लेट्स से इन फर्स्ट केस फॉर NF3 और OF2 व्हाट इज हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, फिर राइट द रिजल्ट पार्ट हियर P Q R S। P में क्या है NF3, व्हाट इज हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3, so is OF2 hybridization sp3। no other case can have sp3 hybridization, so when we have hybridization sp3 they will match tetrahedral electron geometry around central atom because of same hybridization. In this PCl5 what is hybridization sp3d, shape is trigonal bipyramidal. In this case ICl3 also we have same hybridization sp3d, so they are both are involving d orbitals in hybridization, तो हम टेक q का 1 हो जाएगा इसमें। देन अगला पॉइंट आएगा BeF2 और SO3 मॉलिक्यूल। देन BeF2 मॉलिक्यूल और SO3 मॉलिक्यूल they will have hybridization sp and sp2, तो this is not the ruled out these two possibilities, now remaining these two only। then remaining fluorine doesn't have p pi or p pi bonding is not there, so we can think on this lone pair possibility same BeF2, each fluorine atom have 3 lone pair, baridium no electron। in SO3 molecule each O will have 2 electron pairs, lone pairs, so what happens 2 plus 2 plus 2 they have 6 lone pair, 6 lone pair they have total number of lone pairs same in this case, so we can take third is matching perfectly for this case। and CO2 will have linear shape, it have p pi bond। SO2 molecule also will have one p pi bond and one p pi d pi bond, so it have got both are containing at least one p pi bond, so it can be taken 4, so your matching answer become PQRS 2134 as a correct code for this question। हो गया। let us take next question, one more matching question taken on similar pattern, so let us take our next question। आपको दिया मैचिंग करने के लिए, बिट A लिखा है इसमें 2 lone pairs are present, बिट B लिखा है 0 dipole moment, अगला लिखा है प्लेनर स्ट्रक्चर और लिखा है D आपका all adjacent bond angles are same। okay, so try this question yours। हो गया। now let's come on solution part of this question। solutions are very easy। आपको फिर से आपको उसके लिए शेप को ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा। if I write the bit in this case we can have more than one matching possibilities, like if I take A B C D, each bit separately we will match the result part, and let's say the structure or answers। first it is taken HCF5 negative shape wise, HCF5 negative have shape pentagonal planar, it have shape pentagonal planar, 2 lone pair axial because they have more bond angle already discussed, so it have got hybridization sp3d2 d3 and geometry or shape become pentagonal planar, pentagonal planar shape। So what is going planar in this case? Central atom of 2 lone pair. So we can take yes, central atom of 2 lone pair. P will be there, and other part क्या है इसमें? It have 0 means let us try to match reverse. We can take, it is more easy for you. P कहाँ पे पाएगा इसमें? इसमें आएगा 2 lone pairs, 0 dipole moment, yes. P आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, प्लेनर यहाँ भी आपका P रहेगा इसके अंदर, और क्या रहेगा? All adjacent bond angles are same, yes. तो P will be present in all the bits. Think this way, because आपको हर बार मैच करना डिफरेंट होगा. Otherwise you draw all the structure at a time. Otherwise if you draw one structure, you can compare one at a time. Now second can be taken NF3 molecule. Shape is pyramidal. Central atom has one lone pair. So when central atom has one lone pair, bit A, it cannot come. Then you can take here 0 dipole moments. No, dipole cannot be cancelled out. Structure planar, no. Pyramidal shape. All adjacent angles are equal. Yes, this can be taken here. So in bit ammonia, आपका B this Q bit will be coming in bit D. Bit D will have Q having all the same bond angles. Remaining properties are not matching for this molecule NF3. Third taken ICl3. It has got T shape. ICl3 of T shape like ClF3, 2 chlorine equatorial. Sorry, HCl1 chlorine equatorial. Central atom have got 2 lone pair. So T shape become all the atoms are coming in same plane. Lone pair 2 are present. So for this R will come here, and then dipole moment 0. Dipole cannot be cancelled out. Cannot fit here. Planar, yes. R can come planar structure. Angle equal, yes. PRS. Then coming last one, XeF4. For XeF4 geometries is square planar. Central atom of 2 lone pair. So geometry means 2 lone pair present. S will come here. Shape is symmetrical, square planar. All dipole moments are cancelling out. So 0 dipole moment. S will come here also. Planar shape, तो नाम ही आपका है square planar. Yes. Sorry, planar plus आएगा. Ready आपको लिख गया यहाँ पे. And equal bond angles. Yes. अच्छा, इसमें ICl3 also have equal bond angles. This R will come here also. So answer code can be coming here. PRS for A, bit B का PS, C का PRS और D का PQRS will be correct code of the given matching question. So you can match backward, or if you want to match directly, you should write all the bits first. Write all the structures, then you can take 2 lone pair present. Which case? 1, 2, 3. So PRS are 3 compounds which are what? It is compound taken P, it is compound taken Q, it is compound taken R, it is compound taken S. So you draw first all the structures. After drawing all the structures, you can then compare. 2 lone pairs are present. PRS. 0 dipole moment. When we have structure planar type, only 2 compounds are there. Then planar structure 1, 2, 3 are planar. All angles same. It is common to all the case. They are all having all adjacent bond angles same. So that you can match this question here. I hope it's clear. Chaliye, let us take next question. Now we are taking one passage based question on the structure of diborane base. The structure of diborane is very, very important and can be given almost all kind of entrance questions. So let us take the passage. It will have 3 questions. I'm just writing one question. Then after you solve, then we'll take second, third questions. Questions में क्या दिया? पहले इसका theory, इसका पहले theory इसका passage ladder, the binary boron hydrogen compounds are called boranes. Full stop. These compounds are involved in many organic and inorganic reactions. There are two types of boranes by formula. First is BnHn+4 are called nidoboranes. Then BnHn+6 called arachnoboranes. Nidoboranes and arachnoboranes. आगे देखिए, select the correct statement about the diborane B2H6. इसका लिखा है it is isoelectronic with ethene. Q bit लिखा है इसमें, it is isostructured with ethane. Each boron atom is sp3 hybridized. आपका थर्ड स्टेटमेंट दिया है, फोर्थ ईयर्स में all BH bonds are same. और आपका D लिखा है इसमें, it's nidoborane. तो आपको ये मैच करना है. For matching this question, we should know the structure of diborane. Actually, diborane क्या होता है? Diborane is electron deficient molecule because if I take each atom boron can have 3 electron in the outermost shell. So what is happening here? And we have hydrogen atom is also electron deficient. So we can have 2 hydrogen atoms are forming normal sigma bonds with each boron, and 2 atoms of hydrogen, they are forming bond of different category. In this case, this middle can be taken, hydrogen are forming bonds. It is electron deficient bonds. So it has 2 kind of bonds here. This bond is called as what? It is called 3 center 2 electron bond. C for center. What is 3 center means? You have 3 atoms, boron, hydrogen, boron, but having only 2 electrons in this bond. So it is called 3 center 2 electron bond. They are also called as banana bonds. So we have 2 bonds of this category. Number is 2 for such bonds, and 2 bonds taken here, they are called as 2 center 2 electron bond. There are 4 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bonds of this category called as 2 center 2 electron bonds. And we have 2 bonds which are taken as 3 center and 2 electron bonds. यहाँ देखिए इस बॉन्ड में 3 एटम्स हैं, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. यहाँ पे 3 एटम्स हैं, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? 3 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स. यहाँ पे है 2 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स. समझ में आ रहा है? अब that means we can say all the BH bonds are not identical. It have total how many electrons? 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 electrons. When we take ethene have how many electrons? 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atom per atom carbon they contribute 4 electrons in valence shell. So 4 plus 4, or as a whole you can count here the total electrons taken here in ethene and diborane. In diborane we have how many electrons? आप count करिए इसमें. 2 into 5, 10 plus 6, 16, and 2 atom carbon in ethene, 12 electrons. So 12 plus 4 in hydrogen. So it is first point common. It is isoelectronic with ethene. It is isoelectronic with ethene is correct. What is ethene? C2H4, but not isostructural. It is not correct. Boron atom or sp3 hybridized is correct. It can be taken here. There are 2. We take hydrogen. It is called HT. You have T stand for terminal hydrogens. HT stand for terminal hydrogen atoms, and HB stand for bridging hydrogen atoms. B for bridging hydrogen atoms. It is taken bridging hydrogens HB. outer angle is around 119 degree, inner angle taken 97 degree. These bonds are having lower electron density, so they have less repulsion. Inner angles will have lower electron density, so will cause less repulsion. Outer angles have comparatively higher electron density, so they will cause more repulsion. So angle is more. So all angles are not identical. Ruled out. Nidoborane formula wise it can fit. So nidoborane, yes. Hybridization of B sp3 is also correct. The total number of electrons are same. B2H6 will have total electrons how many here? 2 boron, 5 plus 5 plus 6, 16, and ethene also have 16 electrons. C2H6, Sc2H4. So bit PRT is correct code for this question. Let us take the next bit here. Now we take in the same passage 2 more questions are there. Let us see the 2 more questions. पहला दिया इसमें second दिया है question. Find maximum number of atoms present in same plane, which is perpendicular to the plane of a plane which contain all the 2 center 2 electron bonds in diborane. Option A लिखा है 2, B लिखा है 4, C 6, D 8. इसका थर्ड क्वेश्चन है. आप क्वेश्चन ए भी लिख ली दोनों. You then try both the questions. थर्ड क्वेश्चन दिया है which has one vacant orbital of the valence shell unhybridized. You can add the word here unhybridized. A bit है इसमें B2H6, B bit है BH4 minus, bit C है BCl3 and bit D इसमें दिया है none of these. So try both the questions later on. Now coming on solution part. देखिए already I shown the structure that in diborane, if I draw the structure once again, this can be taken bridging hydrogens. I am writing this bridging hydrogens by this, let's say red marker, bridging hydrogens, and 2 other hydrogens in same color. Now this bond is taken called as 2 center 2 electron bond. In this bond formation we have 2 atoms, so 2 center, and this bond have 2 electrons, so this bond is called 2 center 2 electron bond. Both the bonds of same category, 2 center 2 electron bonds, and this is bridging hydrogens. This bond have 3 electrons, sorry, this bond have 2 electrons but 3 centers, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this bond is called as 3 center 2 electron bonds. So bridging hydrogens, it is bridging hydrogens. This red one called as bridging hydrogens. They have attachment by 3 center 2 electron bonds. It is HT. HT can be taken as terminal hydrogen atoms. They have got 2 center 2 electron bonds. So in this case you can see these 4 hydrogen terminal and 2 atom boron are in one plane, and to that plane this bridging hydrogens, they are perpendicular. If I try to show you by model, you can see this can be taken model of diborane structure. I just used different color points to show the atoms only. देखिए आपका यहाँ पे black लिखा मैंने 2 atom boron. 2 atom boron are black atoms. Then you can see here this red one I have taken 2 bridging hydrogen atoms. They are having 3 center 2 electron bonds, and I have taken this yellow circles, yellow spheres to indicate here terminal hydrogens. Yellow spheres indicating terminal hydrogens, red are indicating bridging hydrogens. So if you take the 3D view, we can see we have how many atoms. If I draw this way, so you can take it to the plane. In this plane we are having 2 bridging hydrogens or 2 center 2 electron bonds, 2 atom boron and 2 atom boron more. So we will have maximum 1 2 3 4 5 6 atoms in one plane. This plane which is having terminal hydrogens and 2 boron will have 6 atoms, and to this plane is perpendicular. This plane is perpendicular. In this plane perpendicular we will have how many atoms? 2 atom boron and 2 atom hydrogen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms. 4 are visible to you. We have 4 atoms in one plane. Which are 4 atoms? 2 atom boron and 2 atom bridging hydrogens. They will be in one plane. So if they ask question, यहाँ पे question दो बार, this question can be given two way. If they ask question what is maximum number of atoms in one plane, this can be how much? This can be taken 6. But that is not this plane. That is which plane taken? This is this plane here, which contain terminal hydrogens and 2 bridging hydrogens. So 1, 2, 3 plus 3. They will have 6 atom maximum in one plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 atom in one plane. But they have asked what question here? Find maximum number of atoms present in same plane which is perpendicular to the plane which contain all 2 center 2 electron bonds in B2H6. So this is a plane which contain 2 center 2 electron bonds. To that plane we can have only 4 atoms maximum which are perpendicular to that plane. So I hope it is clear the structure of diborane, and these points, both points are clear. So this question can be given two way. Don't write 4 in all the case. See the question क्या है, then take the answer. अगला question है which has one vacant orbital of valence shell. We can take hybridization. It is sp3 hybridized. No question of vacant orbital, unhybridized. Only BCl3 will have hybridization sp2. So BCl3 will contain one vacant p orbital in BCl3. Okay, so that is this portion taken. We have discussed several basic problems in this topic. One question more we'll take on MOT, and then we switch for the advanced portion. Now we take next question here. Again matching question. Column 1, column 2. Column 1 में लिखा है HCl less HF more, PH3 less ammonia more, water. It is D2O. Heavy water. F2Cl2. क्या मैच करना है? Strength of hydrogen bonds. Q dipole moment. R boiling point. And then S bond energy. आपको ये मैच करना है सारे बिट्स में. So try this question yourself. Now coming on solution part of this question. To solve this question, देखिए इसमें क्या है? HF will have hydrogen bonding. We have to check. So we will have correct answer for this question. Bit A. The strength of hydrogen bond is definitely more. In P, correct one. Polarity is more because of high difference of atom electronegativity. Then boiling point more for hydrogen bonding. And then shorter bond length, higher bond energy. S also will match here. Now PH3 and ammonia. Ammonia will have hydrogen bond. PH3 does not have hydrogen bonding. So P for same reason dipole moment is more because of difference more of atom electronegativity, and same reason for boiling point and bond enthalpy also. Then bit C, D2 or H2O, both are same type but slightly stronger bonds are there in D2O. So it will have possessing slightly higher values. P for same reason dipole moments or boiling points will be also more, and also bond energy is higher. With D, chlorine and F2. Chlorine is more, no hydrogen bonding possible. Both the molecules will not have hydrogen bonding. Both are non-polar. So option P and Q ruled out. Now boiling point. Boiling point is more of chlorine because of higher molar mass. Chlorine will possess higher van der Waals interaction forces called London forces. Then F2 because of molar mass. F2 lighter, chlorine heavier than F2 for that reason. And also bond energy is higher of chlorine than F2. It is unexpected. लगता है कि longer bond होना चाहिए. Should have lower bond enthalpy, but Cl2 is found to have higher bond enthalpy compared to F2. The reason can be taken here. Electronic repulsions in fluorine, one reason. Second, Cl2 is having possibility of p pi d pi back bonding, which is absent in fluorine molecule. तो पहले क्या size छोटा है, electron pair of fluorine repel, so they help in bond breaking easily, and bond is pure single bond. here size is bigger, so electron repulsion is decreased. And second region also can have possibility of hydrogen back bonding involving chlorine lone pair in p orbital, and second chlorine is vacant d orbitals. So for that reason chlorine have higher bond enthalpy than F2. Okay, that is the answer for this question. Let us take next matching. Now take next question. Again we have matching question. Column 1, column 2. Column 1 have set of several ions or molecules species, and second it has same characteristic properties. तो आपका ऑप्शन ए में है N2 plus Cn minus NO plus O2 2 minus, बी में है N2 plus O2 plus O2 minus NO, सी में है O2 molecule N2 2 minus C2 B2 2 minus, और डी में है Cn minus C2 2 plus C2 plus B2 plus N2 minus are the set given here. And then आपको प्रॉपर्टी दिया है, P लिखा है all have same bond order, all have intermixing of s and p orbitals, all are paramagnetic, और s लिखा है all are diamagnetic. See, already we discussed these properties in topic molecular orbital theory. So you can try this question later on. Only one point is there which I can explain to slightly more. देखिए, all are intermixing of s and p orbitals. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? See, when the energy order was discussed, in molecule having more than 14 electrons, the energy of sigma 2pz is lower than pi 2px or pi 2py. There is no intermixing of s and p orbitals. But when system have 14 or less electrons, then by repulsion of sigma star 2s orbitals and sigma 2pz, the energy order exchanges. There is crossover of energy. That energy of sigma 2pz become more than that of pi 2py and pi 2px bonding molecular orbitals. At that time you say they are having intermixing of s and p orbitals. So the molecules which are having electrons 14 or less, in that it is observed. तो can take which side can have molecules? O2 तो आपका आएगा नहीं किसी केस में. Only for bit D. Only for bit D we can have option Q. आप बाकी चेक कर लेंगे इसमें A, B, C, D. For bit D, your answer will come as Q. And rest आप चेक करेंगे अपने आप से आंसर निकालने के बाद. E, Q find, apply MOT. For bit A we have S. For bit B we have R. And C we have P. And bit D we have Q answer. So the set I can write here. C का P and for D answer is Q. A का S, B का R, C का P, D का Q आएगा इसमें. So I hope this is clear. ठीक है? तो if it all given such kind of question mixing वाला अगर आता है, इसका meaning होता है when energy exchange occur, or we can take energy crossover will take place. Energy of sigma 2pz is more than pi 2px or pi 2py, or the molecules which are having 14 or less electrons, in that this point will be involved. Like N2 molecule, C2, B2, CO, in that it will happen. Okay? Now let us take one more matching question in this topic. Now let us take one more question. Matching question. Column 1, column 2. इसमें दिया pair of species. लिखा identical properties. A में लिखा है PCl3F2 and PCl2F3. यहाँ पे है BCl3 and BF3. Sorry. BCl3 and BF3, यहाँ पे CO2 and Cn2 2 minus, यहाँ पे C6H6 and B3N3H6. आपको मैच करना है with properties which are the identical. Hybridization of central atom. Q है shape of the ion or molecule. R है dipole moment, और S आपका दिया है isoelectronic among them. So try this. Now let us match here the bits here. पहला इसमें लिखा है PCl3F2. तो in PCl3F2 and PCl2F3, applying bent rule, 2 fluorine are axial. Here 2 fluorine axial, 1 fluorine equal to here. So they will not have same dipole moment, but hybridization same. P shape is same, Q, with some distortion, but not same dipole moment. Isoelectronic, they are not. They are not isoelectronic because chlorine and fluorine are not having same electrons. अगला बेटा BCl3 and BF3, they will have same hybridization, yes. Same shape, yes. Dipole moment, yes. Both are non-polar. Isoelectronic, no. Chlorine and fluorine are not having same electrons. Now अगला है CO2 and Cl2 2 minus. They will have same hybridization sp, yes. Both have got linear shape, yes. Dipoles are cancelling in both the case, yes. Isoelectronic, yes. And with D, benzene, and it is called boragene. This compound B3N3H is called boragene or borazole. Structure क्या होता है इसका? BN, just like benzene, it is isostructural and isoelectronic to benzene. So it is called as for that reason N plus B minus charge in each case. It is called boragene or borazole. It is also called inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene because it is isostructural and isoelectronic to benzene. So hybridization of each atom, boron or nitrogen in this structure will be same, sp3. So they have same hybridization, sp3, shape identical, dipole moments again cancelling out, net 0, and it is isoelectronic because boron nitrogen electron will be same as 2 electrons of carbon atoms. This can be taken again same geometry they possess in this topic. So this can be taken different questions. Chemical bonding, we have discussed a lot of points in which you should be able to solve almost all kind of question in any examinations. Okay, so this is chapter closing, chemical bonding. Only for advanced portion we will take some more questions. Now we take next question here. देखिए, how many of following bicarbonates are found in solid state? Lithium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, rubidium bicarbonate, cesium bicarbonate, ammonium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. It is one question. One more question, right? Simultaneously then we solve both the bits, then we discuss. अगला दिया है, how many of following are amphoteric oxides? As2O3, Sb2O3, Bi2O3, GeO, ZnO, Al2O3, BeO, Cr2O3, Ga2O3, PbO, SnO, magnesium oxide and calcium oxide. So try yourself. Now coming on solution. Basically there information to be given through question to you. देखिए, remember only alkali metals are forming solid bicarbonates among all the metals, leaving lithium bicarbonate which is not found in solid state. There, yes, and among the other compounds we have one more solid bicarbonate, that is ammonium bicarbonate, and they are soluble, not found in solid state. So what we can have answer for this question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bicarbonates among them which are found in solid state. And remaining second question, how many of following are amphoteric oxides? When you take metal oxides, and especially metals are highly electropositive and low oxidation number, they are basic. In high oxidation number, they become acidic. Oxidation number intermediate, in that kind of case, they can have amphoteric nature. So example taken here, in this case, leaving these two only, remaining all are amphoteric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All of them are amphoteric in nature, leaving last two which are basic. Magnesium oxide and calcium oxide is basic, rest all are amphoteric in the given series. The question पूछते हैं कि among the following how many are amphoteric? I given the list basically of all the compounds possible, oxides possible which are amphoteric through this question. Okay. One more question we take here. So that next question, we have find out number of species among the following which are not existing, which do not exist in the given species. तो कंपाउंड आप लिख लीजिए, राइट ऑन द क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट कंपाउंड ये है HCO4, सेकंड ICl7, थर्ड I3 माइनस, अगला है CH2I8, NCl5, PH5, NCH3 whole 4 plus, CN2 2 minus, PbI4, FeI3, CuI2, OF4 and PH4F. So you can try yourself first. Now coming on solution part. देखिए इसमें क्या है, ICl7 is not existing because of steric hindrance, crowding, bigger atom chlorine 7 in number cannot accommodate around iodine atom. So due to steric hindrance factor, it is not existing. NCl5 is not existing because nitrogen does not have vacant d orbitals. So nitrogen cannot expand the octet, more than 8 electron not possible. PH5 is not existing because of hydrogen atoms small in size, cannot accommodate in the axial positions to make it hybridizing in nature. Moreover, hydrogen is reducing, not oxidizing, so phosphorus cannot exist in +5 oxidation number with hydrogen. ये करेगा, ये भी आपका PbI4 is not existing because lead +4 state is acting as oxidizing agent. It oxidizes I negative ions to form Pb+2 plus I2. So lead +4 ions are acting as oxidizing species. For same reason, you can take lead +4, ferric ions, Cu+2 ions. They all can oxidize I negative ions to give other metals in low oxidation number. Iron can give Fe+2, Cu can give Cu+. So I negative ion cannot exist with lead +4, ferric ions, Cu+2 ions. Again for same, OF4 is not existing because of non-availability of vacant d orbitals on oxygen, and PH4 again cannot exist because of hydrogen's low electronegativity. It cannot accommodate in the axial positions. So what is the answer as a whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 compounds in the given sets which are not existing, which cannot exist in these combinations. Okay.